today's video is how to avoid fights.
Ever been in that situation where you want to back up from a fight because the brother bigger than you, you're saying,
or you want to save his face?
Yeah, you don't want to save your face because your face is like your goal prize, right?
That's you're gonna lose the fight.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to get the face brush up on thing. Here's one you can always do. It's real simple. Just act like you're not really a manly man. Just act like
basically, like you're turned. But I got any Regina?
On a nice ass.
Yeah, man. I used to call her Regina Palmer. Regina Palmer, man. But he is cut up. Boom! Yo, brother, stop right there, stop. Don't brush off the glass. Sorry. Brush off the glass. I would have brush off the glass. You brush my glass. Brush off my glass.
I'm sorry, I did not mean to do that. Sorry.
It's a fish. Another one is just run away from the damn fight. Just pet it.
Or people, what you can do. Many people do this all the time. You can just, if you want to act like, punk out. You just act like you're crazy and just you want to save your face.
Yeah.
Just act like you're crazy and
basically knock out yourself before you try to fight you. Hey, get me on camera, cuz!
Yo, me got you.
It's on Instagram, cuz!
Yo, the man have a fit. Seizure.
What's up, cuz? What is that, cuz?
A seizure, you have
You done got knocked up. Oh, yeah. If I'm approaching and you have a brethren that want to fight, right? What you're gonna have to do now is actually give up something. But if him ask for 2, 3, 4, 5, just give it. Just give it. Because guess what? You're gonna be in problem if you don't eat.
You saw the game last night, though? I see that game, man. Them boy, they not doing nothing right.
Terrorize them boy. Turf my youth.
Hey, man.
That thing that my youth.
They don't understand.
Yeah, man.
Excuse me, gentlemen. I was kind of taking a nap here. If you saw my presence.
Alright, go on. Do what you're doing. Do what you're doing.
Come on.
Anyways. Yeah, dog. Them have to change off the wood side.
You overgrown apes. I'm taking a nap. Move your ass.
Hold on. I don't know where my thoughts come from.
Give a credit card. Take a credit card.
What kind of shirt that?
True religion.
Take the shirt. Yo, I show you. Take your shirt. Give me the pants. I like them pants. Give me the pants. More on the pants too.
No boy can't take off my pants, me no play them the game, yeah. Girl inna my bed, make me turn up the flame, yeah. Vanity no move, me no switch to my brain, yeah. Me prefer take a bullet and fall like the rain, yeah.